Hey folks, got a great ground cover here for you. Probably the most popular plant in Florida, maybe the country. Asiatic jasmine, great ground cover, cold hardy, evergreen, stays low, and a lot of people are using it as a replacement for grass, which they've been maybe having problems with it. It's been around for years. It's a great plant, the Asiatic jasmine. We actually have some new varieties of it. There's a variegated Asiatic that's been around for a number of years. It gives you a little bit of color in the landscape under those dark trees or something. But we have two new varieties out. One is called Snowcap, and it tends to have a little bit of pink in the new growth on it. Almost looks like flowers, but it's a cold hardy evergreen, gives you color without any stress there. And the other new one is Summer Sunset, the yellow one over here. It's great color on this. This will brighten up those flower beds without having to have flowers in them. Two great ground covers, very hardy. Enjoy them. Thanks folks. Jim Hunter with your short and sweet tip of the day.